Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the batch apex. What is the batch apex in the Salesforce? So basically we know that like people will talk about the batch apex whenever we have to process a bulk job or we can say bulk data. Then we have to do the use of batch class. So the batch class basically used for processing the data in a bulk, like you have to process more than 50,000 record or we can say more than 20,000, 10,000. It is a asynchronous process, okay, that will be running in the background. No need, once you run that or you can schedule a batch apex, it will be run automatically on that particular interval of time, and you can run once and then it will be running based on the criteria you have been defined. So the batch job is we can say used for processing a bulk data in the backend. So in the batch apex we have like three methods like start, execute and finish method. Okay, so we can say these three methods are important whenever you are writing a batch apex. So sometime the interviewer will ask like that, if you remove this finish method, will be able to save the class? So the answer is no, we cannot save the class without any of these method, because the reason is that because all these three methods are interfaces that is inside the database.batchable class. So all these are interface inside that class. There is the reason we have to implement all this method in the batch class. So there's the reason all these three methods are required to be implemented. So the in the start method we are collecting the data, like we can say we are fetching the query, we are fetching the data, we are writing a query to get all the record that are eligible for processing. Like let's suppose in this example I am just what I'm doing, I am just querying all the account. Okay, let's suppose we have like 10,000, 20,000 or we can say 50,000 record we have, or 1 million record we have. Then what we can do, maximum we can process up to 5 million of record. That means 5 million means nothing, but that is 5 lakh of record we can process with the help of the batch apex. That is the limit for the batch apex. So here what I'm doing, I'm just querying the account and just I'm updating the name of this account, like name plus updated by batch job. So if we have like 1 million of record or 2 million of record, it will execute it one time and it will keep on processing the record until unless it will finish to append update by batch job to each name of the account. So this is what this batch is doing here. So here we can see like we are querying the record. From the query we can put some condition here also. In this we can put some where condition as well. If you want you can put the where condition here. Let me suppose where name equal to something, name like you can give anything. I am giving my name. Let's suppose I'm giving Himanshu. We have to use kill parameter here because we cannot use directly this because we are having single, so we have to write here, we have to use the kill parameter here. Like let's suppose I'm using plus, what is that, plus, then like Himanshu, then kill operator, and then I have to put here what is that kill operator, and then I have to put here plus. Let me move this, let me remove this as well, let me move this as well. Okay, like this we have to use the kill parameters, kill operator, so it will be querying all the record that is related to the human. So this will be like this will return the like 1000 like total number of record. Okay, and then it will be passing in the chunk to the execute method. So like if it got queried like 10,000 record, so based on this scope we will be defining while scheduling this batch or running this batch. Based on that scope size, it will be passing the record to this execute method. Let's suppose the maximum size is 2000, not more than that. So we can give 1, 2, 3, 200, 500, whatever you want, but we cannot give more than 2000 for this scope record scope. So whatever the scope you are getting, it's same numbers of record will be passed or execute method. So this means start and finish will run only one time. Okay, only one time. Only the execute method will keep on running based on the batch size we defined in the apex class. So let's suppose we have 100 record and we have been given the batch size or scope as a 20. Okay, so 20. So that means if you retry 100 record and you have given the batch size of 20, then the execute will run only 20 into 5, that means 100. So the execute will run 5 times and then it will process all the record. After then this finish method will be running. Okay, and like this finish method is basically used for sending the email, like the number of record got processed, number of record got failed. We can write some logic to send the email to the user, so that we will coming to know this batch got completed and this numbers of record got failed or this number of record got success. Okay, so that part we can use in this finish method, and in the finish method we can call the another batch apex as well. So sometime the interviewer will ask like, how can we call a batch from a batch? Yes, we can call a batch from a batch, but we need to call the batch in the finish method. So we cannot call in the execute method because there is limitation that we cannot have more than 5 batch active at a time. So that's the reason the execute cannot the batch will be not called from the execute method, but we can call in the finish method. And like if sometime interview will ask like how you can store the IDs of success and failed record, then here we have to implement the database is stateful. So once you may implement database is stateful, it will retain the what do you call execution of the execute method. So in that we can define a variable and we can store and we can send to the finish method. Yep. I hope the batch apex is clear for now. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.